Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to adjust menu font size in Shopify. First of all, you need to log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Then, hover up this online store here and click on eye icon here. Now, you can see we have this font size for the menu. Now, in case you want to adjust, that is if you want to increase or decrease this font size, go to your admin dashboard and then click on online store here. After that, you need to click on these three dots here. Now, select the edit code option from here. After that, we need to locate to the base.css file, which you will find under the assets here. So just open this file. Now we need to add some CSS code, and for that go to front end again and click on the right side of your mouse and then click on inspect option here. Now you need to click on this selector here and hover to this menu here. Now we need to find out the wrapper class for this navigation. Now as you can see, we have this nav tag here which wrap all the menus. So I need to click on this. After that, you need to click on this plus icon here. Now you can see as this nav header inline menu is selected. So just click on here, and now we need to navigate to this anchor tag here inside this wrapper class. So just type A to navigate this anchor tag and then click the tab. For suppose I'm increasing the font size to 18 pixel. Now you can see the font is increased. You can adjust this font as per your choice. After that, you need to copy this CSS and go back to the base.css file here. Now go to the last line of this file and then paste that CSS here. After that, you need to click on this save button here. Now go back to the front end of website and refresh the page. As you can see, the font size is increased for these menu. That's all for adjusting the menu size. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss any update. See you in the next video.